Hey guys, Junaid from Mud Wtr here. So in this video, I want to talk about a product called Mud Wtr. So apparently this is one of the best coffee alternatives out there, and I know that tons of you guys that watch these videos are quite productive and use coffee to actually fuel your life, even though most of us know that it isn't the most healthy thing to do. So I actually want to try this product out and unbox it in this video to actually showcase what kind of product this is, and then obviously go over the brand integrity. So if you're someone that is actually excited, before I start, I saw that over 90% of you guys that actually currently watch these videos aren't even subscribed yet. So if you're someone that is actually interested in men's lifestyle, men's style, men's fashion, and pretty much everything when it comes to the men's lifestyle niche, please consider to hit the subscribe button down below, because that way you support this channel and I can actually make more videos in the future. And you can always unsubscribe if you actually don't appreciate the content. Anyways, with that said, let's unbox this. Alright, let me open it up and give you my initial reaction. So this is what it says when you open the box. So it pretty much says, started from the mud, now we're here. Take a tablespoon and drop it into hot water. Add whatever you'd like. Some like it with a dab of honey, some get frothy with their favorite milk. You could try it bulletproof or just add some coconut oil. It goes great in smoothies and protein shakes, but don't be afraid to keep it OG and drink it straight up. Yeah, done? Okay, now stir it up. Yeah, stir the magic powder up real well before enjoying like the legend you are. So the first reaction is that they actually do give quite a nice message, and they can obviously have a laugh, so that's a good thing. So then obviously let's look what you get in the box. So the first thing you get is a Mud Wtr VIP sticker, support your local sunrise sticker, followed by a F your coffee sticker, and then followed by a quick guide about what's in the Mud Wtr brand. So let's start off with your new morning ritual. So let me just read it out, and I'll probably put it this on the screen so you can read with me. I used to be addicted to coffee. I was working as a designer in Silicon Valley, training Jiu-Jitsu and CrossFit every day, and bought into the paradigm that coffee would allow me to do more and do it faster. And that's what I pretty much talked about in the beginning of the video. A lot of individuals actually use coffee to actually fuel their ambitions to become more productive, just because they think they actually have more energy to do more things faster and actually generally do more things. But they don't understand like the harmful side effects of caffeine. So I mean, that's what this brand is actually fighting against. And then they just simply follow up with, I was wrong. Caffeine is a drug, and though culture encourages abuse, it led to side effects like jitters, anxiety, and terrible sleep. Put simply, coffee was hindering my performance in the office and at the gym. I still wanted a morning ritual, so I set out to make one that was more than just a vessel for caffeine. After living in India, I returned home with a love of chai. From there, I started researching and adding different ingredients that had benefit profile that matched my lifestyle. Turmeric for inflammation, cinnamon for fasting, cacao for mood, lion's mane for focus, zero depths for cardio, chaga and reishi for immunity, and etc. In the end, I had a drink with 1/7 the caffeine of coffee that gave me energy, focus and immunity without the jitters, crash and downside. What started as a drink I would carry with me every day has turned into something thousands of people are resonating with, including yourself. For what I want to thank you. It's not easy to be different, to not take culture's word for it, but you did it. I'm so grateful for it. Thank you for being part of this. Stay muddy, Shane. And that's pretty much the reason why I actually wanted to try Mud Wtr out, because it only has 1/7 caffeine compared to coffee, and I'm someone that actually doesn't like caffeine at all. And let me just pull up some statistics. So according to Mud Wtr, coffee is too much while tea isn't enough. So 8 out of 10 Americans drink coffee daily, and for some this can lead to overuse, causing jitters, anxiety and difficulty sleeping. There wasn't a product or brand that served those looking to keep the ritual, but kicked the caffeine, so we made one. And to be quite honest, I'm not someone that's really a coffee person, and the main reason for this is that it actually really makes me feel bad. I really can't stand the caffeine, and therefore that's why I'm so excited to try this out. If it only has 1/7 of the caffeine, and therefore I won't really feel the same emotions and the same feeling I get when I actually consume caffeine, but I'll still be able to actually enjoy this. So the next product we can actually look at is this. So this is the Mud Wtr powder. So obviously this is what you put into your hot water to actually get that Mud Wtr. The next product I got is the creamer, and this is the cocoa milk. And obviously all the products that I'm talking about will be linked down below if you're interested. And then the next product is the whip. So this is actually one of those things that actually looks quite aesthetically pleasing if you've actually seen it. I'll just probably pop it on the screen how it looks like. So this whip is made out of stainless steel and allows you to actually mix your mud with the water. So on the back of this whip, it actually says, do you ever feel like your mud is too muddy? Do you find that your hands need a break from all spoon wheedling? Well, we are here to change that. Meet the Mud Wtr, a stainless steel frother equipped with the state-of-the-art technology that makes mixing your mud simple. With the click of a button, this little whip will spin your mud right round like a record, baby. Right round, round, round. At 90,000 RPMs, it spins so fast, you could probably start a mild tropical storm, but when it's finished, your mud is perfect. Take a sip of that mud and enjoy it like a legend you are. Alright, so before I check this product out, let's actually look at what they claim. So apparently they claim that this increases focus from the lion's mane, it increases energy from the cacao and black tea in the chai, and they increase immunity from the Reishi and Chaga and everything else. And it also includes anti-inflammatory from the turmeric, so nail jitters, crash or sleep disruption. So I'm curious to try this out because I'm someone that actually can't stand caffeine at all. So I hope that I won't get any of those anxiety, jitters or sleep disruptive moments. Anyways, let me grab a cup and we start it off. Alright, so I got my cup with hot water and let me open the whip now before I actually put the powder in. So you get a rechargeable milk frother instruction. So this pretty much just tells you about the safeguarding rules and the description about the milk frother. Anyways, let's look at the product. Okay, so you have to make it yourself first. So this is how it looks like. You also get a USB charger and the stainless steel. Moreover, you get 2 more, so it's a total of 3. Alright, so let me put this thing together before I actually try it out. So you just screw it in there and it should be fine. Let me try it out. There we go. I like that. So obviously you can just put this on here as a cover. There we go. Looks quite aesthetically pleasing. So I actually do like that you get 3 stainless steel parts. So obviously if one bends or just gets destroyed, you can obviously utilize the other ones. So if you're someone that obviously is interested and likes it so far, I'll have a link down below. Anyways, let's make some mud now. So let me peel this off. So this is how it looks like. So this is the Masala Chai version, I think, with the black tea, ginger, cardamom, cloves, nutmeg and black pepper. Alright, so let me grab a tablespoon of it. Alright, so it's in here and let me try to use this. I hope it won't make a mess. Let's try it out. So let me actually try it one more time in front of the camera. So apparently you're not meant to actually press the button before you put it in. And then when you actually put it in, make sure it's at an angle. Push it all the way down and then just press it. There we go. There we go. Now it's stirring nicely. That's it. Alright, so that's how it's currently looking like. So obviously it's quite nicely stirred up. But obviously I also want to actually add some creamer. So let me do that now as well. And let me stir it one more time. So there we go. I'm starting to understand this much better now. So actually it does look much better as well. So that's great. Alright, that's it. Alright, so this is the Mud Wtr. And so far, I have to be honest, so far actually it does smell quite nice. But obviously that's not the main thing. I'm gonna try it out now and I'll obviously give my honest thoughts and my initial reaction. Let's do it. Alright, so far it actually tastes like coffee, but at the same time it really doesn't taste the same like coffee. It actually tastes more natural and it doesn't actually feel like it's obliterated, and I don't feel that kind of sense what you get from the caffeine. But obviously sometimes it just takes a bit longer for it to actually hit in. So obviously I'll check back after 10 minutes and after I obviously finish this cup. Alright, so now I'm back again and it's been actually over 20 to 25 minutes now. And I've actually taken another cup of Mud Wtr just to actually try it out to make sure that if I actually take 2 cups of them, whether I actually will feel all of those side effects you feel with coffee. And so far I actually don't particularly feel it. So at the moment I actually do feel quite relaxed and calm, and I don't actually particularly feel any kind of anxiety or any sleep disruptive moments. And to be honest, I do feel quite a bit more awake, and therefore you might want to suggest that I'm more focused and have more energy. But it's not particularly a huge amount, so therefore it's alright. And when it comes to the product itself, you can generally taste that it's actually quite naturally made and it doesn't have any kind of chemical substances or any other weird stuff in it. It actually feels quite natural. So obviously when it comes to health and immunity, it's most likely much better than coffee. So far it actually does seem like a great product. But obviously if you guys are actually interested and want to see a future video while I actually use this product for, I don't know, 30 days and give you more thoughts about this, please let me know in the comments down below. because so far it actually does taste quite good, and I'm actually surprised that it's much better than I actually thought it was, even though I already was quite excited. So I guess that pretty much sums it up for this video. So if you're someone that actually appreciated this video and all of the effort that I put into this video, because I had to clean everything again because I didn't know how to use the whip, please consider to hit the subscribe button and also give a thumbs up, and also leave some comments down below to actually let me know that you enjoy it. Anyways, with that said, thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you on the other side. Bye bye.